How to switch servers in Archero 2. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are on Archero 2 and wondering how to switch servers, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Archero 2 game on your device and make sure that you're inside this page. Once you're in, click on the menu icon at the top left corner and from the expanded menu, click Settings. Inside the settings, you'll see the Select Server button at the bottom. Click on that and browse the list of available servers on the next page. You can go to the Global Server button at the top and choose the server you want to join into. After choosing the server, the game will connect you to the new server and load your character for that server. Remember that if you're planning to play with friends, then make sure that everyone creates or selects the same server before investing too much progress. The game will restart from the first on a new server, and there you have it. You can switch back to your previous server whenever you want by just tapping on the menu icon at the top left and then select Settings, click on Select Server and go to Recent Login option and choose your server you want to change to, and your server will be switched immediately. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.